I'm Todd Jaderborg with Odin's Wolf Survival. Today we're in the underground subterranean cavern of Wolfhaven, and I have the Opinel picnic set, which is the Opinel number 8 knife in beech, 2 stainless steel inserts, which is a fork and a spoon, and the microfiber case and napkin. It weighs in at 3.7 ounces and it runs in about $33 with the knife, $18 without. The thing that I thought was it makes a nice handy small case, which we'll see in a little bit, that you could carry along and you'd have your knife, spoon, and fork along with you. It'd be great for work and, taking to work, out doing whatever, keeping in the car. It's a nice set. These are an iconic knife like the Mora. They've been around forever and most people know of them. Their quality's good. So let's see what we got. Okay, on the shield today, as I said, we have the Opinel number 8, and this is the set. Actually, we'll just put it back. Knife folds up, locks. Typical Opinel. If you've ever dealt with them, you know what they are. This is the new bit. These lock together, such as they're stainless steel, and we'll see here in a minute. That's the set. Okay. Like I said, this runs in at $33 on Amazon. I'll have a link in the video below. Without this, just this bit, it runs in at $18. The cool thing about this is you have your typical knife. Which everybody knows what it is. Which is handy. My only problem with this is with most cutlery sets you have the 3 pieces and they're standalone. This is just about as compact as you're probably going to get. And typical Opinel, they're pretty sharp right out of the box. I know this one was. Every one that I've ever messed with is. Then on top of that, once you get this in, the cool part of this is these fit in the handle and they lock. So you can actually use them for as they're supposed to be. Makes basically a full-sized spoon. Kind of, the feel of it kind of reminds me of the old hobo set. Although this doesn't fold in and about like the hobo set did. The hobo knife with the knife and fork. Fork goes in the same way. Locks up. I had to work the spoon a little bit at first to get it because it was a little tight with the wood section. And it's as you can see, it's a typical fork. There's nothing really special about this. It's just a simple, somewhat basic cutlery set. The only thing I'm not really too impressed with, well, I like it. The only problem is if you're going to switch back and forth, instead of just laying down a spoon, picking up a fork, you got to switch between them. But if you're wanting to carry one little set, and it's a well-made little set, These knives are great. These are well made, sturdy. I have no problem with the quality or anything along that line. Price might be a little bit high, I think, but things are what they are. Things are going up. There's nothing cheap anymore. So, you know, catch it on sale if you can. If not, it may suit you quite nicely. I've actually been taking this to work with me. I'll throw it in the kit or in the car when I go to work. And there's been a couple times that I've forgot whatever in the lunch bag, and these have come in really handy. So this is Odin's Wolf Survival in the subterranean caverns of Wolfhaven. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. And have a glorious day. We're coming upon Christmas. If I don't have a video out before then, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and enjoy your time with your family.